Introducing the Tohnichi DOTE20N3-G-MD Torque Tester, a revolutionary tool that will transform your torque measurement processes. This advanced torque tester from Tohnichi combines exceptional accuracy with user-friendly features, making it an indispensable asset for quality control and assembly applications. With a versatile torque range of 2 to 20 Newton meters, the DOTE20N3-G-MD Torque Tester caters to a wide variety of testing requirements, ensuring precise and reliable measurements. Equipped with state-of-the-art technology, this torque tester delivers highly accurate and repeatable measurements, giving you confidence in your results. The tester's keypad setup allows for easy switching between multiple units of measure, accommodating different industry standards and preferences. The innovative loading system stabilizes the wrench during the calibration procedure, minimizing errors and optimizing measurement results. Designed with portability in mind, the DOTE20N3-G-MD Torque Tester is lightweight and compact, making it convenient for use in various settings. Elevate your torque measurement capabilities with the Tohnichi DOTE20N3-G-MD Torque Tester. Its versatility, accuracy, and user-friendly features make it an essential tool for maintaining quality standards and ensuring precise tightening processes. Invest in this advanced torque tester and experience the difference it brings to your assembly operations.